Hi friends, welcome to the fourth day of our challenge, Nutrition Week challenge. Okay, today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn, like you know how important fiber is. You know how to have it every day. You know how to divide the portions, everything, right? Like now, in what kinds of food you get protein? This is what we are going to discuss today. So you have fiber in all kinds of foods. Fiber is everywhere. This is the slogan. Okay. So fiber is available everywhere. It is available in our grains, our legumes, our pulses, and it is there in fruits. It's there in vegetables. It is there in everything. Like everything, nuts, seeds, everything, fruits, dry fruits, anything for that matter, you have fiber except animal items. You don't have fiber in your meat, you don't have fiber in your fish, you don't have fiber in your egg, except animal products. You have fiber elsewhere, everywhere. So which are the richest fiber food? You can consider like vegetables, which are green leafy vegetables, and some stems, some roots, like carrot, beetroot. All this has high amount of um, fiber content in them. And in pulses like Bengal gram, so many grams are there, green gram, Bengal gram, Kabuli dal. All these pulses also have got lots of fiber in this. So whatever food has got more of fiber, that list I'll just post you, so you can go with that list and you can see that you eat such things more and more. So whichever is dark in color, whichever is green in color, it has got more and more of fiber in them. All green leafy vegetables and all stem kind of vegetables, all that has like beans, asparagus, all these have more and more of fibers in them. So please do see that you check all the items. Fenugreek when soaked and eaten is quite good for fiber, and it is good for diabetes people also, like with heart problems, with diabetic. If you have, you just see that you eat every day few seeds of soaked fenugreek. That is quite amazing. It gives a lot of like difference in your body. Okay, thank you. I'll just provide you the whole list of um, items which has got more and more of fiber in it. Sorry, I just forgot. Like, what is today's, like today's challenge? You should see that you eat certain things which has got fiber even in the grains. Yesterday you would have eaten some chitrana or something. You would have eaten polished rice for lunch, something, like you would have eaten plain dosa, all such things till yesterday. For tomorrow, I mean till today, for tomorrow, what you have to do, you should see that you eat the grain which has got more of fiber in it. Which grains does have more fiber in it? It is like whole grains. The above portion should also be intact, and the grain inside it, germ, what you call it as germ. See, wheat has husk above it and wheat has germ inside it. Both are very rich in nutrients, but sadly we'll take away both the things, knowingly or unknowingly, because to make our rotis or chapatis soft. This should be avoided. When you ground the whole of atta, wheat into atta, and you bring and you see, um, the above things will go away, like the husk and the grain. If it, I mean, the germ, it goes away, means there is no point in eating such things. So see that you eat whole grain. Okay. Two things how you can make out when it is not polished or unpolished. You can see the layer of it should be very, very rough. You can just see it and you can make out whether it is a polished grain or unpolished grain, one thing. And when you cook, the grain doesn't stand itself, like the whole thing won't be there when it is a polished one. Whereas when you cook the unpolished grains, it will get cut, or it'll get melt away at the corners or something. It doesn't look like how the polished grain, like very strong or sturdy. Okay, it'll be very subtle. Okay, these are the things how you can make up with polished and unpolished. There are so many um, no swaps. So if you are using white poha, you can go for red poha. You are using white polished rice, you can use red rice or brown rice, or white unpolished sona masuri, or anything you can use. Or you can go for millets, something you see that you don't eat grain which is polished, or which is like it's not a whole grain kind. The above thing, the husk is removed, please don't use it. For tomorrow's challenge, see that you eat whole grain food. Thank you.